Are you looking for a camper that is towable by almost any vehicle? Then you gotta check out the Mallard by Heartland. It is the M210RB. Come on. So Heartland did such an amazing job on their design. It has a modern feel. You come in, you have this massive bed here with storage above, a really cool kitchen with a nice sink, and subway tile. Really awesome. Here we have this amazing door, which I am obsessed with, and this fridge is actually a chalkboard. How cool is that? Here you can place a dinette or a couch if you want. And then you have this awesome bathroom with a huge shower. All right, guys, thanks for watching.